Once again, welcome to you. Last session, we just discussed about a local traditional network, that is a telecommunication network. In this case, what is the local call? Local call means the same switch room, okay? And within a city, if customer not connected to the local switch, that means there is a centralized switch room which is available in each and every main city. This is before earlier known as the main telephone exchange building in each and every important uh, cities. Okay, so this main exchange which is known as the DTAX, Digital Trunk Auto Exchange. Okay, so I just repeat and then again go ahead. Yeah. Before last session, we just discussed about in any telephone exchange, traditional telephone exchange, what will be there? There will be simply one is the switch room. Switch room earlier operated by the human directly. They are known as the telephone operator. Then this switch room migrate in the electromechanical switch. There are two types of electromechanical switch. One is the Strauger bar, another is the crossbar, and they finally convert in the electronic switch. And now in the today era, in the current scenario, this switch is IP switch, Internet Protocol switch. So only from starting of the communication system until time, uh, mediator is that mean ki which they connect to the two different user, calling party and called party by the switch room. Okay, so earlier was manual by human, they known as operator, and then become it automatic by the electromechanical switch. First earlier it was a Strauger bar, then become cross bar, two types of electromechanical switch used in the history of the telecommunication. And finally, after 1980, electronic switch until time before, after around 2000 year 2006 onward, uh, IP switch. Okay, so currently IP switch used for the communication. This is Internet Protocol switch. So mostly, if you are visit nearby any telephone exchange, landline telephone exchange, so you can see such types of diagram environment. There is one AC room, some rack is standing, and some people working with the computers. Okay. Then in telephone exchange, there is MDF. MDF is nothing. Local all customer by a copper wire they connect to the this MDF room. And one power plant already discussed. Power plant is the 24-hour how to without any interruption power is required. This is the power room. Okay, so in this case, three concept used. One is the main supply, another is the battery room, and third is the alternator, yeah, generator. If power cut, main power cut failure, in this case, automatically total power load transmit to the, yeah, divert to the battery, but we full time not depend on the battery. In this case, uh, we required generator supply. After a generator supply, again mains restore automatically power supply is restore on the main supply. So any organization, their 24-hour power supply required, such types of mechanism will available. Okay, and one final room is the transmission room. This is a look like a switch room, but what in the transmission we discuss in later. Now come local call and trunk call. So what is the meaning of the local call? Local call means this is the mechanism earlier until time also in the case of the copper wire. So this is the telephone exchange telephone now connect in the home by the one rigid boxes types of box is available in home building any location. So this just out from the home nearby the wall either pole, this connect to the DP. This is a distribution panel. That is nothing. Each and every customer nearby your home, they connect to the this DP. So wire for each and every customer, or you suppose this phone is available on your home. your neighbor home is also such types of landline. So all your this is the maximum 5 to 10, and earlier 10, but this time only 5 customer. So 5 separate wire for separate telephone line will be here jointly combined, and they go for the further movement in the telephone exchange. Copper wire distance in telephone exchange maximum 5 kilometer, yeah, 6 kilometer. And between movement exchange, first go to the pillar. Pillar is nothing nearby all DP collections of wire. Just here come another DP, another DP. Okay, this is a combine, and then move the exchange side. In exchange side, that such types of big types of pillar will available. If you move any your location, so you can see such types of pillar is available, and there is a some symbol of BSNL, either Airtel will be, you can see. Okay, this is nothing. This is the nearby R 5 kilometer. All types of wire will be here. Collect, combine here, and restore. Just entering for the telephone exchange. So if you can see such types of cabinet, so you just imagine that within 50 meter, definitely one telephone exchange is available. By default, copper wire telecommunication given by the BSNL. So definitely BSNL telephone exchange will be available. Now in exchange side, the first entry of customer, this is the MDF wire. MDF is nothing, main distribution frame. This is the basically all nearby 3 to 5 to 6 kilometer around customer wire will be come collectively here. Here the just entry point of your exchange. Now this is the switch rooms. Earlier there were operator manually, then become electromechanically, then now electronic switching. This diagram is for electronic switch, and such types of like IP switch is also similar in look like. Okay, so if this customer is calling the same types of customer, same if calling earlier in morning discuss, if a person is calling to Mr. B, so if wire of the B also is available in the in same MDF room, so definitely automatically disconnect A and B and return back in the same manner. MDF, then cabinet, then pillar, then DP, and then LGU, that is the Rogit box, and finally telephone. This is the local call. If customer is not within the 5 meter in the same city and another location is available within the same city, so in this case what happen, in each and every main exchange is available in main city, and your parent by default know ki where is the main exchange. Earlier in before 2005, year before 2005, each and every even rickshaw in any poor, any shopkeeper man, each and if you ask where is the main telephone exchange, easily they explain where is the main just like bus stand, just like main telephone exchange is popular in earlier. So in this case, local connection is as similar like suppose this phone go to LGU, DP, pillar, and cabinet, finally go to the MDF and switch room. This switch room realized कि calling party of by this telephone number to called party is not wire available in this. So in this, but in the main city, another location. So in this case, what happened? Now this location go for the main exchange. This is a transmission room. So in telephone exchange, one room is a transmission room. Transmission room is nothing. This is the just connection between two different switch rooms. So this go for the main switch room by the optical fiber. That is optical fiber. Okay. And just 1 minute, let's. Okay. So this is the main detect. This main switch room in each and every city is available, and this is nothing. This switch, local switch. This switch is called local switch that directly connected to the customer, and this is the main switch. Disconnected to the each and every separate switch to this switch. So there is no difference between architecture between main exchange switch and local switch, but working role is different. What role of this local switch? Which customer And what role of the DTAG switch? Which exchange? Okay. So now this and between the local switch to the main switch connectivity is the optical fiber. Till 1986, optical fiber technology is not new technology. 1986, too much time already going for the optical fiber communication. But till time, each and every home go for the optical fiber replacement of the this copper wire. Okay. So now this is a local switch they connect with. This is a trunk call. Now, if anybody calling to one city to another city, suppose I am live here at Ghaziabad, another city is available, Mumbai, either Kolkata, either Trivandrum, either Chennai. So if one call from one location to another location, so what is mechanism? Down we can see the next slide. So in this case, the Indian Telegraph Act, this mechanism not new, it is a very old and definitely development of the telephone telecommunication is given by the British rule, British company. So in this telegraph rule in 1885, so this is not new. So they will be decided that time to till time also applicable. India divided in the four different telecom region: NTR, WTR, STR, and ETR. NTR that means Northern Telecom Region, WTR Western, STR Southern, and ETR the Eastern Telecom Region. Okay. Northern definitely this diagram you can imagine ki in what part of northern Jammu Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Rajasthan, this is northern part. So similarly in the south, STR, southern part. So you can very easily understand India is very well known ki what is the different geographical area. So by the name you are easy understand ki which part may be considered as the NTR, maybe WTR, ETR. In each telecom region, like for example in NTR, there are two headquarters. One is the Dehradun, another is the Delhi. Similarly, in STR, Southern, there are two headquarters. One is the Chennai and another is the Bangalore in STR. Similarly, WTR, Mumbai and Bhopal, and ETR, Guwahati and Kolkata. This is a two headquarter for all each and every telecom region. Okay. So suppose buddy, if buddy call to, for example, you belong from south. So if you calling from Trivandrum to Chennai, so definitely both belonging to in the same region. Okay, same region STR. So in this case, what happened? You can suppose just here. If suppose this person is calling in the same region means STR, यानी कि Kerala to Chennai, या Kerala to Tiruvananthapuram to Chennai, and Trivandrum to the other location like in South Bangalore is also in the STR. Okay, so in this case, what happened? So definitely, suppose this telephone is available at your home, and you calling the person that is you are from Trivandrum, and you calling that person will be in Chennai. That be in this case, what happened? In this case, your telephone just local go to the local switch. This mechanism already you familiar now. This switch just identify, okay, this calling party by the A to called party is not available in this local switch room. So by default, he's sending to the local main city, the main detach, main exchange by optical fiber. This is a local transmission. Okay, optical fiber. DTAX is available in Trivandrum. Similarly, Chennai is also main city. So definitely one DTAX exchange is available in the Chennai. So one city to another city, they already underlying optical fiber cable is directly connected. One city to another city. Keep in the mind, nothing is wireless. You, if you are go for mobile, it is also not wireless. Wireless only you from your mobile to nearby tower, and less rest everything is not wireless. It is wire by the optical fiber in the current scenario. So this is the NTR. This is separate line management and the transmission, another part of the transmission system. This is NTR, and it may be optical fiber. This may be the optical fiber, microwave tower, but till time this time maximum 99% area covered by the optical fiber, one city to another city. Any company, either BSNL, Reliance, Tata, they are go to the common path, not ki Reliance separate path. No, all are go to by the common path by default, one city to another city, line managed by the BSNL. So now you understand BSNL is important. Okay, he never go for Geo and Airtel and even BSNL. Main line always managed by the government of India. It not given to any particular dedicated organization like Reliance, Riger, Airtel, either BSNL. It is general manager, where by default BSNL is the government department, government service. So he will manage in the current scenario. You can say in today's scenario, each and every customer use the BSNL main line, one city to another city. So similarly, another city NTR, that in your case, this is the Trivandrum, this is the Chennai, and then again local transmission, go to the local switch, this is the connectivity. Okay. So this one city to another city. Okay. So how to connect? Via DTAX to DTAX. And this is a national line, one city to another city. Okay. Now I'm asking the question in Bagha border. That is the most popular border between India and Pakistan. So if you Indian calling to the Pakistan, so in this case, what is the path? Okay. So first, one more thing important. There is no difference between mobile and landline. So you just here see this PPT. In this PPT, this is the landline diagram already you are aware now. Okay. When mobile come, actually now you are very easy understand ki landline means each and every customer required copper wire from home to nearby telephone exchange. So in old time, it is not possible. You suppose there some area 1,000 people want to telephone, but we have just laying only 500 wire underground. So remaining 500 people under waiting list, it is not possible. When we uh, laying the extra cable, then it is waiting list will be clear for telephone connection. So for resolving this issue, we just concept of mobile communication. In mobile communication, each and everything is similar, just with two things replaced. One is that here customer this and tower. This is the BTS and this is wireless, but this tower is connected. One tower, 1204. How many customer connected from the one tower? If GSM technology, so 1204 customer you connect this tower. So this is a wireless. This is biggest advantage. It not need to the copper wire to telephone exchange. But this tower 1024 customer, and this tower also connected to the optical fiber. Just go to the BSC in the sense of the mobile. BSC is nothing, just modification name of the DTAX, MDF, and this go for the switch. Switch earlier the telephone local switch, but in the mobile case this is the MSC. Other in the 4G different name, and in 5G different name, but all are the switch. What is the meaning of switch? They are temporary basis to called party and calling party connection. Simple. So further, if anybody call to the mobile phone to the landline, same line, same path will be follow, and this is a. If anybody call to the mobile to mobile, so same another size is the same, similar. So that is wireless is nothing. You are wireless only from your local phone to the mobile tower only. Rest are all are currently in the current scenario. Optical fiber is the most important media. Okay. So I just asked the question before starting this network. If two-person, one person from Pakistan, one person from India, both are standing same location at Bagha border, if Indian calling to the Pakistani person, so what is the path? So definitely Indian person, they have the either mobile phone, either landline. Suppose in mobile phone, so they have Indian signal, and Pakistani person definitely Pakistani signal. So, so what is the path? So definitely what part you can see, this is the Bagha border. So suppose you are Varsa here, and this is a Pakistani person. Okay. So what is the path in this case? So you go to nearby tower at Bagha border. This is Indian tower, and this is a connect to the local BSC. This is Atari, is the village, and MSC is Amritsar, and Amritsar detects is modified and identified. This customer is not belonging to NTR. This customer is out of India. In this case, what happened? So already this session we just explained that each and every telecom region we have two headquarters for NTR, Delhi and Dehradun. So now this detects which is directly sent to the this detects service sent to the uh, Dehradun, either Delhi headquarter. And this suppose karo this is the Dehradun. Which location you can go? Dehradun. Any location is possible. Which path is free? Traffic is not available. Easily you can move. So suppose we go for Delhi. Delhi, okay. This is Pakistan. So what happened in this case? In India, each and every landline mobile, only one is international gateway in old time. Today is a lot of other gateway is also available, but old time only one gateway. This is the Mumbai. So he is sending to WTR via either Bhopal or Mumbai. Finally, Mumbai. In the sea, submarine optical fiber cable is laying between Mumbai to Karachi, but this cable is not used due to the very simple relation between Indian and Pakistani. So in this case, what happened? Now you can see here. In this case, just you look this. Yeah, this is the path. In this case, between Mumbai to Karachi not used. So in this case, what happened? So your cable is just go to the Chennai, Singapore, Hong Kong, go to the USA. This is the USA. Inside USA, then out again outside of USA, come to the London, then different submarine optical fiber finally go to the Dubai and Afghanistan, then enter the Pakistan. And local arrangement in the Pakistan is mostly similar like India. And finally, hi hello message go to the nearby tower of Bagha border of Pakistani mobile. So if Indian people standing Pakistani same location, but the complete movement if high by India move to Pakistani telephone number, whole world travel. It is a very interesting, yes. If in your home, if you have two phone and both phone in your hand, if you calling one phone to another phone, definitely this go to the tower, go to the MSC identify. Okay, this is again same location, so they return back and they connect to the another phone. So this is a local mobile communication, same line like this. Okay, so one video for you. What is the actual path of the world, and you can see now undersea cable in this case. Now, any question for you? Any question came in your mind? Varsha, are you there?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Are you understanding? Are you know earlier known such types of network? This is a real network of a world and India. This
Okay.
is not knowledge of the book. Okay.
Okay.
This is the path network. You just also share this video. This is the real path of the optical fiber under submarine cables. So this is not easy. ये easy नहीं है. It is not easy. Each and everybody tell me कि oh hi hello very low speed. No, it is not. Speed only matter between local communication. Around 300 under sea sea. So definitely if we want communication between one country to another country, top level management like minister between two country minister, they make a agreement, and this path are used. Otherwise, it is not possible. In simple manner, you can say our data under sea. And this optical fiber and your on ground local optical fiber are similar. Only outer side of the optical fiber cable is different. This is not such a special type of cables. Fiber either under sea, either ground, both are the similar. But only outer is different. Transmit 99% all international data in today's scenario. And one cable is laying too much take time. Definitely it is not easy. And this is the just ground of the undersea, not in air. So just below, and there is very less chance to damage this cable because undersea there is no disturbance too much. So this video also share to you directly and via this session is also. Now another thing is that in telecommunication, yeah, other any types of communication, different types of media. The most popular media is the air. Second is the copper wire, and third is the coaxial. All media is the important and use. You never say which media is the best. But current technology, definitely optical fiber is the good media, no doubt. But uh, a lot of other manner like copper wire, it if you are the copper wire, the 1000 mbps speed possible in the 1000 gbps speed possible in the copper wire, and at new technology. But in the optical fiber, bandwidth is infinite, but we have no technology anybody give to infinite bandwidth. Currently available technology 400 gbps speed possible in the optical fiber. So in manner of the bandwidth, yeah, in point view of the bandwidth, so copper wire is the best. So you can't say ki copper wire is the low. No, copper wire is also important media. And today when we go for the practical session, so in this session we just realized ki copper wire is the most important. EM wave and microwave. This is a tower local connection between customer to the mobile phone. And satellite. Are you know satellite is the good media? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Uh,
No. Any idea? Satellite optical fiber in comparison to optical fiber, satellite you can say good yes or no.
that is good.
What is drawback of the satellite?
Mm,
Are you at your home? You know Dish TV.
yes, sir.
What happen when come to that wonder thunder and rainy day?
Signal will go.
Network. Okay. So in the
Yes,
telecommunication, it is not allow any types of break. Okay. So the
yes,
traditional satellite, the biggest drawback of traditional satellite is the natural interference. Number one. Number two drawback. One satellite, if you go for making a satellite device, so how make it time? 5 year to 10 year, minimum 5 year. You prepare one satellite. And last example, Chandrayaan 2. Are you know Chandrayaan 2?
sir.
This is the last moment failure. So if 8 year
Mm,
after 8 year proper hard work, you make a satellite, but it's not sure it will be properly launched in the space. Definitely fail, all money wastage, all time wastage. Okay, good try, it's okay. And another thing, suppose you're posting in the satellite communication and there's some problem created in the satellite system. So are you able to go to the space and restore that problem? It is not possible. So this is the biggest drawback of the satellite. This is the first natural interference. Second, one satellite take too much time for preparation and uh, installation and operation and maintenance. Second and third is that if any problem created, so it is not easy. Any engineer, any scientist, he go to the space and easily restore or sort out that issue. This is the biggest drawback. In BSNL in 2006, one more satellite launched in Marsat in 2016. This satellite working in KU band and are you electronic student, either computer science?
Computer science.
Computer science, don't worry. So in satellite communication, they work different band. So the new satellite is available in upcoming future, uh, that not affected by the nature. So upcoming time definitely go satellite communication also, because new satellite not affected by the natural disaster, any types of interference. Okay, or it may be upcoming December, BSNL and SpaceX. There are two companies bring to the new satellite communication satellite phone for all of you. So when satellite phone properly launch in Marsat, given to the customer, open for customer, so nobody go for the 1G, 2G, 4G. That is the very poor and traditional communication system. So I hopefully ki in 2025, uh, satellite communication is the new market, and there is no any G, no 5G, no 4G, no 6G. That is the past history. Okay. So currently, I said in Marsat 2006, an optical fiber, long guess distance. Already you aware ni ki whole world depend on optical fiber. Air problem of air is the weakest media, and maximum 30 to 50 meter distance covered by the air. Wire, copper wire, 5 kilometer and 6 kilometer. There are two types of copper wire used in the telecommunication. For example, if a thick wire, that will be 6 kilometer. If thin wire, that is a 5 kilometer. Roughly, you can remember only. Coaxial, this is also again copper wire, but mechanism is some different. The distance travel by the 40 kilometer. And EM and microwave tower, 1 kilometer to 15 kilometer. Different tower distance is different. Okay, satellite, three satellite control whole world. But problem is that traditional satellite, natural interference, operation and maintenance is not easy. Installation is not easy. Launching is not easy. Okay. But upcoming future, another satellite available in the market till 2016. This is the Inmarsat, already launched by the BSNL, and international gateway available in here, LTC Ghaziabad. Okay. Optical fiber in the current technology, the most uh, infinite distance and infinite bandwidth. But technology for optical fiber transmission, we have distance maximum 400 Gbps speed only possible, while in the copper wire 1000 Gbps speed is possible. So if anybody asks which media is most important, so your answer is very simple manner. Depend on the technology. Okay, in the current technology, definitely optical fiber is the best media. But anybody say in copper wire poor? No, depend on the technology. If you want more than 400 Gbps speed, in this case, copper wire is the best. Upcoming time, you, I, each and everyone want to high speed internet. So definitely copper wire this time available technology is not support such types of high speed. Okay, wireless is nothing. Wireless is the very poor in mobile communication, very poor. If you want high bandwidth speed, definitely fiber, copper wire, landline wire. And in today's session, in the morning and this session, now it is very clear that wireless is nothing. Each and every communication depend on the wire communication, and all types of communication, either mobile communication, either landline communication, either this communication currently we and by the Zoom, all are have the same line. Line is not different. Common line, telephone line, if you telephone, if you internet, that is known as data network line. Okay, so this is the traditional network, and current network may what different, I will explain the next session. Any questions you can ask?
No, sir. Clear.
Clear. So I share this beer. Any confusion to again listen? Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.